Villas, New Jersey, around midnight.
Oh, sorry. Hello. Hi. Hello.
Yes?
Do you happen to have a cup of sugar and baking soda?
Who are you?
I'm Carly. I'm a neighbor down the street.
I mean, who goes door to door looking for sugar and soda at that hour? San Jose, California.
Can I help you?
Yeah, buddy, that's not how it works. Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Here's a lady helping herself to all the packages and even the mail. That's why I keep saying, folks, grab your stuff on time. Gaithersburg, Maryland. This clip right here is a solid reminder of why you need a very strong door.
Say it to my face with your chest.
Schenectady, New York. Check out this heated argument right on the doorstep.
You're warned, the police are coming.
Trash my apartment and you call the cops.
Shut up. 911 right now. Talk about harassment. Get your out of here.
I'm literally gonna hit her. To think I don't give a is crazy, bro. You saw no, I'm on the phone. You saw me get arrested, bro. You clearly don't think I give about being arrested, bro. Got 3 felonies on my record right now, and I don't give. Oh, you got something to say to me? Calm down and say it to my face with your chest. You.
All right, I'm trying to defuse this.
Bronx, New York. You've probably seen this lady before with the delivery guy, but this time, she's out here literally harassing her neighbor for 3 straight days.
No, talking about mothers. What are you, Puerto Rican? I bet you are. You Dominican? You Spanish? You Spanish? Call him. Call him. Call him. I dare you. Open the door. That's what I know. Yeah. Yeah.
Thankfully, it didn't last forever. Cops eventually stepped in and arrested her.
Open it. Open it.
I want pepper spray.
Because you're a your man is too, and you know.
Atlantic City, New Jersey. This woman straight up cut the screen door and tried breaking in. Luckily, the homeowner noticed right away and called the cops before things got worse.
Hello, can I help you?
Hi, I left my cat's upstairs. I can't. I need my cat.
The police. I'm calling the police right now.
Okay, all right. I need my cat. I need my cat. I need my cat. No, this.
Bradenton, Florida. Why are people roaming around at 3 a.m. in someone's yard?
Hey, get out of here.
This woman is definitely not just out for a midnight stroll. She's clearly looking to steal something.
Hey, get out of here.
Opelika, Florida. Here we go with another late night request at the door. Let's see how this one plays out. But honestly, it's definitely not looking like anything good is about to come from it.
Yeah.
Can you come outside? I need to talk.
Nah, you don't know me. Let me get my gun. Hold on.
All right.
Yes. Come outside. Where you know me from?
I don't know. I need help.
Call 911.
My
That's who you
phone-
gotta call 911. You don't call nobody. You don't not call.
My phone dead.
Let me call them.
No, we don't got no charger.
All right.
All right, folks, Real quick, if you're enjoying these clips and want to support us, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps get these videos out to more people and keeps the community aware. Thanks. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. And here's the perfect example of why you should always keep your stuff inside or locked up.
Can I help you?
Louisville, Kentucky. Check out this weird lady showing up at the house around 3:30 in the morning.
Charles, how is he doing? White House? With Trump. He got him out.
Yeah, that's not exactly a friendly, just saying hi kind of visit.
Yeah. Don't come over here no more. Wrong house.
Albuquerque, New Mexico. Random people just ringing doorbells, strolling up and down the street, checking doors not once, but twice.
You are currently being recorded.
I can't say anything about how the house. It's an observation.
I'm renting.
Okay, well they're probably renting too.
I think, yeah.
Yeah, because it's expensive.
Listen.
Be careful out there, y'all, and keep your eyes open.
Wait, is this really?
I don't know. Hold on.
It seems like it is because there's so many cars, right?
Someone hit two cars parked in front of a house and just drove off. Fresno, California. This lady's out here putting notes on doors, apparently looking for the person who's sleeping with her man. She's living in a camp on Inyo by the canal. Be careful if you're in that area. Things are definitely tense. Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Two cars pull up and a group of people start throwing rocks on someone's property. This isn't a game. Damaging property is serious, and yes, they're going to be arrested soon. College Point, New York. This older guy spots the Ring camera and tries to swipe it. But the homeowner caught him in the act, and he comes up with the dumbest excuse ever. Let's hear what he says.
Yeah, come here for a minute. No, the lady that lives here, she said the alarm keeps going off. Some lady told me this, some alarm keeps going off. My name is Jose. That's what I'm saying. No, she told me to come and fix it. That's what I'm saying. I'm going to call her right now.
Sarasota, Florida. Check out another very heated argument caught on a doorbell camera.
Hello?
Hey, somebody told me that a desk was dumped here illegally because of the Ring. You documented it?
Yes, it looks like someone came and picked it up already.
That's not possible because it wasn't me.
Okay, well, I'm not sure
I'm
who
the
picked it
one
up,
who.
but it's not out front
Well, I need
anymore.
to know who picked it.
Okay, I don't know who
So
picked it
was
up, and I
it?
am at work right now.
Yeah, I'm sorry, but you posted a bunch of information that was personal information instead of calling me to tell me, hey,
Okay,
this is
sir.
somebody
So
stole it from my office. They
someone
stole
dumped
it from my office.
trash, office
Somebody
furniture
stole it
on
from
my
my office.
lawn, and you're
They
mad
stole it
because
from.
I posted it. I don't care. Get off of
Yeah,
my
because they
property right
stole it
now.
from my office. They stole it from my office, and I did not. I wasn't notified.
Well,
If
I
you had
can't help
something
you
that
who
you have a problem
stole
with,
it because it wasn't
but you
dropped
didn't
on my
call the number,
property.
it was right there. But
Okay,
you
I
didn't call the
don't
number and
care.
say,
Get off
hey,
of my property. Get off of my property
well,
before I
I already
call the
had it
police.
taken down
I
because it was
don't know
illegal
who
to
took
post
your
that.
desk. It shouldn't have been on my property in the first place. And yes, I posted it.
That's
So
correct,
get
which
off
I
of my
didn't do.
property.
So stop illegally posting of personal
Calling
information.
the
It
police
wasn't.
now. It shouldn't have been on
Oh,
my
because I
property in
already
the
called
first place.
the
I could
police.
post whatever I want.
That's right. It should have been in my office
And
when
you're a
somebody
doctor?
stole it.
And you're a doctor.
Yes. See
Okay,
that?
so whoever
Somebody
stole it,
stole
that's
it.
your problem, your business. Keep it off of my property. That it shouldn't have been there in the first place. And don't come back to my property again.
Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Yep, another one. And honestly, I'm really fed up with these guys trying to steal mail.
Why are you going through mailboxes, man? What's up?
Trying to find my friend's name. I can't remember what number she is.
Oh, who's
I
your
was
friend,
looking for
man?
something with.
Who's your friend? I can help.
Tish.
Oh, yeah, no, there's nobody by that name that lives here. I think you
Hey,
got
thank
the wrong
you.
house. Yeah, no problem. Peace out.
Colorado Springs, Colorado. Check out this dude wandering around a porch.
Excuse me, can I help you? Hello? Can I help you?
Oh, sorry, I got the wrong house. I got the wrong place. I'm leaving.
Okay, please leave. Yes, thank you.
I didn't know anybody lived here. I'm sorry. I pretty much apologize.
Yeah, no, definitely live here, and it's pretty obvious, so
Think he's
please
just
leave.
at the wrong house? Wait for the next clip. You'll see the same guy breaking into someone's house. Yeah, definitely not innocent. Omaha, Nebraska. And this right here is exactly why you should always keep your door locked. Don't make it easy for someone to walk in and take what's yours.
Hey! Hey! Call the cops! Hey!
Lehigh Acres, Florida. Anyone recognize this strange lady trying to get into a house?
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Hey, Sammy, it's me, Boricua Girl, 15. I love you.
She's going around the back looking for someone.
Hello, hello. Who are you? Who's this? Hello, guy. Qui est-ce moun sa ka fwe kle nan pot la? Who is she? Yeah, I got de apwe mwen. I got de apwe mwen fwe kle nan pot la mwen avsa sorti. Who? Ame rentre, get inside. Get inside. E sa fem di nou, ferme pot la. Kounya lock pot la. Always lock the door. You see? Li try put fwe kle. Avsa, men there, she's outside. Excuse me. Can I help you?
Ariana? Sí. Boricua Girl, 15. I'm looking for Samuel Zangari. Are you sure he's here? Sir?
Who?
She's looking for somebody.
Okay, if she's looking for somebody, why she go out on the back? And she tried to open the door. She tried to open it too.
Yes.
Huh?
Kansas City, Kansas. Grab your stuff, folks. These porch pirates will literally clean up your entire porch if you leave anything out. San Jose, California. It's getting worse, and the homeowner has no idea why this guy keeps targeting their house. This is the fourth time he's shown up, and now he's destroyed a car. The homeowner has called the police every time, yet no officers have responded. Unreal.
Yeah, I want you out of this house, Giovanna. Octomom. You and Desiree, alright? I'm not gonna repeat myself. You're a thief. Okay. I want you to get Giovanna.
Hello.
This woman tried to get into someone's home. Definitely a situation where you do not open the door for strangers, especially at odd hours. San Jose, California. This creepy guy is harassing one of the homeowner's tenants and trying to get into her apartment.
Yeah, I'm looking for the old lady that lives here. How long you been living here? Oh, I came by before. I'm in AA. I'm in AA.
Yeah.
Alcoholics Anonymous.
So am I.
Yeah, I know. My name's Ed.
Ed.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Ed.
What's your name? What's your name?
Annie.
Annie? Okay. You don't remember me?
Definitely not someone you want near your home or anyone living there.
No, I'm sorry.
I think I vaguely remember before I got really sick.
Yeah. I can't come in, right? No.
No, I gotta stay away from
How you know? It's not me.
I have very little immune system.
Huh?
I have very little immune system left.
Are you sure?
Yep.
I'll come in.
Huh?
I want to come in. No?
I don't need any visitors. I don't need any friends. I want you down the street.
I thought you wanted to see.